Okay, so for installing the Kinarm tabletop, you want to have your T-handle ready, your 3/16 T-handle. And you want to prep the washers on these screws so that they are all the way against the screw heads and roughly about that distance. Essentially, this little assembly is going to go inside the T-slot on the table. So once you get the washers prepared on the screw heads, like we're showing you, you're going to lift up the tabletop. Try and slide it down onto those screw heads so the washer and the screw go in the track like that. Once that's done, you see how it can rock back and forth? You want to just kind of push it up so that it's against the robots here. You can hold it in place and you can just tighten up the screws. So tighten this one, it'll stay there. You can hold and tighten the other one. And it inserts into the slot of the extrusion. And you can get your washer and your screw and loosely put it into the extrusion. I usually use a little screwdriver, or you can use your ball nose and slide it into the extrusion like that. See how it's a little tight? I just gotta screw the screw in a little more and just kind of push it in till the screw head is in line with the access hole. You can tighten it up and you are complete. And you do the same on both sides.